At the very outset, we thank the Almighty God for the gift of this beautiful and well meaningful day. Today, 19th July 2023, we begin the inauguration for the school week of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Rangblang. The function began with an opening prayer from Sister Maria Swear and then followed by the solemn lighting of the candles by the chief guest, Sir Renington Lingdok Tonka, Reverend Father Edmund Lakra, Sister Maria Swear, Sir Plana, and lastly by the captain of the four houses. And then Sir Plana gave a wonderful keynote and welcoming everyone to the gathering. Well, speaking on this special occasion, the chief guest, Sir Renington Lingdok Tonka, stressed on the importance of talent that God has given, and he exhorts teachers and students to bring out their best. Yep, to keep things simple, let us witness this video.
I express my warm-hearted welcome to you all to School Week 2023. A very special thanks to our chief guest for accepting our invitation to join us today. We are honored to have you serve with us. Your presence makes a lot of difference to all of us, especially the students sitting in this hall. Thank you so much, sir. I wish all the participants all the best. Thank you and God bless.
Very happy to be here with Principal, which is the first time that I've met you. It is a big privilege, big opportunity for me to meet you. And we became so close that in 2 minutes of our meeting, which I have started sharing even my personal things just in 2 minutes. For the first time, and I know we will continue to meet again and again. Thank you so much, sisters. As soon as I arrived here, you have taken me to, and we have had a very good tea, very good breakfast. Even though I have taken enough breakfast at home, but I have taken again more than that here. Thank you so much. And thank you so much all the teachers of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. You are all the reason for me to be here today.
Consideration for us. May your work prosper May your progress ahead. May your career goes up day by day. And may God protect, guide, and help you in whatever you do. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your presence today. Thank you all. Your presence means a lot to us.